a tricky thing. It happens, as you know, there's two types. There's the type where you don't make insulin, the type 1, and type 2, the adult onset type, where you can make insulin, but the body doesn't respond properly to it. This shows some of the metabolic strangeness that happens during diabetes. So green lines mean things that are activated. These pink arrows indicate processes that are suppressed in a diabetic situation. So in a diabetic, even if you've got lots of glucose in the bloodstream, uptake of the glucose by, let's say, muscle cells or fat cells doesn't happen. It may be that there's glucose there and the pancreas has secreted lots of insulin, but it's like these target cells are blind to the insulin in like adult onset diabetes. There's insulin there, but it's not triggering the right response. There's some problem with the receptor. And so glucose uptake doesn't happen. You may have 8, 10 millimolar glucose in circulation, but the muscle cell isn't taking it up like it normally would do. Or the fat cell would normally take it up and convert it to triglycerides. It's not happening.
So they're in starvation, basically, like the...
They think they're in starvation, that they're not seeing the glucose out there. They're having trouble with that.
The receptors don't...
The receptors, yeah.
But when for the adults that one, then if they get insulin, it helps them? Or
No,
how do they get
because they already have, they're making normal.
Yeah, but how do they get their nutrition then?
Well,